Welcome to the Powerful Comics Man podcast. This is Gerald Dorado. Okay, we're gonna do reaction dito sa teaser ng Marvel Avengers Doomsday. Okay? We have been disappointed to many of the recent MCU offerings, but MCU pa rin yan kahit anong gawin mo. And I don't know, I have every time something comes up, I still keep some good hopes sa mga bagong labas na MCU movies, but sometimes I get disappointed, oftentimes recently. But the love and inspiration na nakuha ko or naramdaman ko noong time na the MCU was at its peak, I think the MCU, yung at least first 10 years, was really a cultural landmark in culture, 'di ba? In the entire history of the world. Okay, achievement pa rin 'yon. Okay? So, wag na nating masyadong pahabain yung mga commentaries ko about MCU. Let's just watch this teaser. Nakita ko lang siya kanina, naalala ko siya na meron na nga palang ganito. So, na-spoil sa akin tong scene na etong si parang Cyclops. So, I thought, wala naman akong ginagawa. Medyo naka-break time ako. Let's do reaction. Okay? So, panoorin na natin to. Tatlo to eh. Tingnan natin kung pwede natin panoorin lahat. Okay? Let's watch. Okay, I'm guessing this is the X-Mansion.
Death comes for us all.
Sino yun? Si Magneto ba yun? O si ano?
That's all I know for sure.
Yeah, yun. Si Magneto yun. Ian McKellen. Alam ko ang boses mo, Ian McKellen.
The question
Ano yun? Savior School, o? Tama.
isn't, are you prepared to die?
Grabe talaga mag-deliver ng dialogue si Ian McKellen, no? Balikan nga natin yun. Na-miss ko bigla siya dati. He was all over the place. From Gandalf, tapos eto nga sa X-Men. After mga mid-2010s, parang nawala siya eh, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong projects ang ginagawa niya.
Prepared to die. The question is, who will you be when you close your eyes?
Okay, si paring Professor X. Oy, teka. Si Magneto, okay. So magnetic yung yung chess pieces. Oh, so grabe tsura ni Ian McKellen na, oh. Grabe, so na siya, matanda na siya. Parang mas ano pa siya? Ganun ba? Parang mas healthy pa si Patrick Stewart, si Professor X sa kanya? Ganun ba? Nako, grabe. Grabe to si pangalan ito, Mars din. Nakuha rin sa wakas itong kanyang so meron siyang yan meron siyang mga scars, may sugat siya. Tama ba? Parang nasunog yung niya, yung face niya. Ganun ba? Tapos comics accurate ang kanyang costume. Oh, ano to? Mga ano ba to? Mga tornado? F5 tornadoes ba yan? Ibig sabihin, nandyan si Storm. Oo. God damn. Ang ganda talagang, it's a good teaser. I must tell you. Tama yung sinabi nung tama yung sinabi ng mga narinig ko kanina. 'Di ba? It's a good teaser. And ano siya, hindi siya goofy. Yun ang isang downfall ng MCU in the past mga nakaraan, 'di ba? They deconstructed every character to the point na it's not the same character anymore. Pinaka malalang nangyari sa kanya syempre diyan was Thor, 'di ba? Si Thor, yung X-Men nitong mga naunang X-Men, yung original na or at least the first live action na X-Men, deconstructed talaga 'yon. Okay, so naka comics accurate costume tong si Cyclops dito. So we don't know if this is the same universe as dun sa mga nauna, 'di ba? Dun sa ano ba 'yan? Sa Fox na X-Men. It's I like it. It's I am teased. Teaser siya and I am teased. Okay, but ang tanong diyan is it gonna be a bait and switch? Tapos pagdating mo sa pelikula, 'di ba? Sa sinehan, biglang Love and Thunder din. Hassle talaga. Panoorin natin yung sunod. Teka, hindi pa tapusin muna natin to. The X-Men will return in Avengers Doomsday. Okay, baka may Easter egg pa dito. Basically ito yung parang Avengers pero parang X-Mansion yung tawag doon. Yung theme. Let's see kung ganoon din dun sa iba. Of course, Avengers Doomsday will mark the return of Robert Downey Jr. as Doctor Doom. It's ang daming speculation on how Marvel is gonna pull it off, kung anong gagawin nila, how they're gonna execute it. I wouldn't even I wouldn't even attempt or try to or waste my time na mag-speculate. I'll just wait for the damn movie. Diba? Kasi madami nag-i-speculate Tapos may mga fan theories. So wala namang tumatama. Diba? So, di bali na. Na ako dun sa mga fan theories na yan. Okay, panoorin natin yung kasunod. Teka, baka meron pa. Tapusin natin to. So, the countdown has begun. Okay. Okay, so, next. Eto, Thor will return. Thor, okay.
Father.
Unang pa lang. Mukhang seryosong Thor ito. I remember there's an interview na parang asar na asar si Chris Hemsworth doon sa Love and Thunder at saka basta pikon na pikon siya na ang agreement niya is he's not gonna do Thor again if it's gonna be a goofy portrayal of the character. 'Di ba? So hindi niya nagustuhan yung ginawa ni Taika Waititi. And it was really an abomination what Taika Waititi did. It's so narcissistic na ginawa niya, pero ayoko nang maalala ang visit na yun, 'di ba? But I'm certain na Thor would have hated to leave the character like that. Kasi that's what built him 'di ba? Hindi ko naman siya makikilala kung hindi siya naging si Thor. That's what built his career. That's what gave him probably generational wealth, and it would suck if fame, of course, yung notoriety, yung status niya sa Hollywood and everything else, all of the good things that happened in his life since he got that role. So for sure mahal na mahal niya yung character, and I'd be pissed if I was him tapos biglang magiging ganun yung magiging tanga yung character niya. So I think siya, of course malaking kikitain niya dito, 'di ba? Syempre kikita siya ng malaki diyan, but above that, it's fixing the wrong, 'di ba? The terrible wrong that was Thor Love and Thunder. So, tuloy natin to. Nasa gubat siya. Thor's in the woods.
All my life, I have answered every call. To honor, duty, to war.
Oh, napaka-seryoso niya, ha? Ganda pa dramatic yung delivery. Asgard ba to? Grabe naman tong location na to. Ang tataas ng mga puno.
But now fate has given me something I never sought.
Fate has given me something I never sought. Binigyan siya na, may anak siya?
A child,
Wow.
a life untouched by the storm.
Di ko maalala kung sinong anak ni Thor.
Lend me the strength of the old fathers. So that
Oh, ano pa rin ang hawak niya? Stormbreaker pa rin, ha? Okay.
I may fight once more, defeat one more enemy, and return home to her. Not as a warrior, but as warmth.
What? As warmth? Ibig sabihin, mamamatay siya.
Teach her not battle, but stillness. The kind I never knew. Please, Father, heed my words.
That's it? Thor will return in Avengers Doomsday. That's it, he was just praying. Sinong her? Sino kaya yung her? Kasi namatay na si Namatay na si Natalie Portman eh. 'Di ba? Sino kaya yung her? Hindi ko alam kung sino yung her.
Warmth.
Teka, I might be... Dapat... Sino? Si Lady Sith? Could that be? Could it be her? Kaso ginago rin si Lady Sith, di ba? Di ba pinatay din siya nung buwisit na ni Taika Waititi. Ugok na yun, di ba? Ginawa siyang di ba? Ay, sino kaya ang kanyang naging chorba? Baka naman si Valkyrie, di ba? Pero yung bata, hindi naman siya mukhang Valkyrie, di ba? Mukhang Sun eh.
A life untouched by the storm.
A life untouched by
Lend me
the
strength
storm.
of the old fathers. So that I may fight once more, defeat one more enemy, and return home to her. Not as a warrior, but as warmth.
You mean, baka maybe he's referring to Asgard. But Asgard has been destroyed. And wala pa akong nababalitaan na buo na ulit yung Asgard. Oo nga, dapat ma-restore ni Thor yung Asgard. That would be the perfect send-off for Thor. Diba? And who knows, this might not be Thor from 616. Diba? Pero it wouldn't make sense if hindi siya 616. Let's see. Let's see kung 616 yan. Okay. Next. Steve Rogers. Okay, nagbabalik. Nung una parang itinatago pa nila eh. Parang ipinaglilihim pa nila na babalik si Chris Evans. So, eto na, confirmed. Confirmed na matagal nang confirmed. Confirmed officially. Steve Rogers. Ay, dito siya nagja-jogging dati. Diba? Ito yung bahay ni Penny. Okay. Riders say Steve. Ang tanong kamote ba siya? Okay, the old suit. Pulling up the old suit. It's in the chest. Uy, dati uso pa talaga yung mga ganong kaha, ha? Anong, ano yan? Anong year kaya to? Kasi, refresher lang, di ba? Dun sa Endgame, teleport siya doon sa panahon ni Penny. Tapos, ano siya, hindi na siya bumalik dun sa timeline. And yung old Steve Rogers nandun, yun yung nagpasa nung shield kay Sam. Diba? Eto, nagkaanak siya. Sino kaya yung naging anak niya? Wow, baka may big reveal yan. Malay mo si ano pala. wala naman. Spider-Man pala, anak niya, no? Okay. Grabe si Chris Evans, ganun pa rin ang itsura, oh. Parang di nag-iba eh. Okay. Yun lang. Okay. Are they gonna be releasing bits like this for the rest of the characters? Siguro isa-isa, no? Pakonti-konti. Pero dito pinaka malaking reveal was the X-Men, 'di ba? And Avengers plot leak, may plot leak daw. Hindi na, wag na. Anong point nun? Anong point na, I mean, madaming ano eh. Yan ang mga hindi ko natripan na gawin. Parang alamin na may nag-leak. Para ano pa? Papanoorin mo rin lang naman. Di ba? Di ba? Pagka ano yun, i-spoil mo lang para sarili mo. Hindi ko gets yung ano na yun, yung trip na yun. Kung bakit importante yung may plot leak. Ano nga, to get enraged dun sa mga mangyayari. Well, some people enjoy it. Some people, ako hindi ko siya, ano. Ano yung sabi dito sa X-Men? The X-Men will return. Okay. Will return, pero will return ang sinabi nila even though this is the first time that the entire X-Men will be in the MCU. Meron na bang nagano? At aside from dun sa let's say dun sa Doctor Strange, ano siya, 'di ba, nandun si Professor X. Pero ibang Professor X 'yun, 'di ba? So dun pa lang 'yun ang naaalala ko. Meron pa bang iba? Yung mga Deadpool kasi Sony 'yun eh. So I don't know. Hindi ko maalala kung may iba pang sa Multiverse of Madness din, yung mga anak ni what you call this, ni Wanda. Anyway, I suppose yun na lang muna. High hopes. Hopefully, I like the tone that they're doing, but hopefully hindi naman maging parang sober, kumbaga parang somber na na all throughout the movie, na parang dramahan sila, 'di ba? But it's gonna be impossible to do that kasi madaming people are gonna expect a lot of fights, and there are lots of characters dito sa movie na to, 'di ba? Yung buong hanay. I don't even know how they're gonna write this. Sa pagkakaalam ko, isang part lang to eh, but that might change, 'di ba? Avengers Doomsday for now, and it's possible na madagdagan 'yan, but the OGs are returning to save the sinking ship that is the MCU. Okay? So tama si Joe Rogan. Si paring Joe Rogan, pinredict niya yan eh. Sabi niya dati doon sa interview niya with doon sa podcast nila ni Robert Downey Jr. Sabi niya, hindi na I think this is what's gonna happen. After you're gone, they're gonna make so films that are not really gonna make it, and then RDJ is gonna get the call to return. And alam mo yun, tama siya, spot on sa nangyari, and alam mo yun, I just hope they can redeem themselves. I hope they can redeem themselves with this movie and reset the MCU to to a far more palatable and more fan friendly tawag dito, mas ano siya, mas ang hindi ko mag-gets sa mga bugok na filmmaker na to is yung parang yung term na fan service, parang para sa kanila masama yun, 'di ba? ano Masama yung fan service. They need to deconstruct, they need to subvert expectations. That's so parang hindi ko ma-comprehend kung anong logic nun. Why would you even think that? Other than, of course, if you're trying to push woke messaging, 'di ba? I suppose that's a good parang palusot, 'di ba? Parang it's a wordplay na parang para ma-illustrate ko it because I'm subverting expectation. Bullshit. 'Di ba? The best thing you can do, especially for nostalgia franchises, is to fan service the shit out of that movie. But of course, samahan mo ng great writing, 'di ba? There's nothing wrong with fan service. Kasi para kanino ka paggagawa ng movie kundi dun sa fans. Kaya nga gumawa ng movie kasi nandun yung mga fans 'di ba? Kaya ka kukuha ng nostalgic na franchise. Anyway, tapusin na natin 'to. Yun lang muna. Paalam.